So guys, please do not try any of these stunts at home.
We are all professional stuntmen.
Apart from Ricky.
Yeah.
And just avoid all of that. This is all for your entertainment purposes. And
stay safe.
Yeah. Ricky told me to say that.
Flip it. No, surely just push it in. Oh, this is not gonna fit. Oh no! Push up. Oh, bro.
Is it in?
Oh no! Eric.
Go in the outside.
We've been everywhere for this bath. Finally found one, and we ain't got a car to support it.
It's in, yeah.
Okay, so we've made the trip out for this bathtub, and as you can see, we didn't come prepared because the car we've got is too small. I don't know if you can see this, but like, it's very tight. Excuse the pants. Oh, mate! Oh, you just winded me. Eric, what? You're just gonna have to drive those.
Oh.
Can you physically drive?
Yeah.
I know you can't see out the back, but vans can't see out the back either, so.
I need a
Look
sat
at my
nav.
chair, man. Oh, look. What is this?
I need a sat nav.
School on Monday. Yeah.
Welcome back, School on Monday family. As you can see, we're in a cooler.
Yeah, a little cooler.
Episode 4. What are we doing today, Ruben?
We're making a giant human gummy bear.
The largest one going.
Largest one in the world. We've got Ricky.
Ricky's gonna do it.
How tall are you? 6'3".
4.
Why do you say 4?
I'm 6 foot, he's 6'3", he's 5'2". And let's go.
Son.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Ben!
Yeah.
You got that nose thing?
Nose thing? Yeah, something like that.
Oh, it's so slimy. Oh, it's warm.
Get in there, fella. Get in there, fella. You little boy.
It's still it was like I'm in a birthday because I'm about to go to sleep and wake up in 2,000 years time. I'm going to wait for it to set a layer and then I'll go on.
Alright, put your legs under there.
Well, I can't get my legs on this, as far as it's going to go. Oh, come your ass! Oh, come your ass, dude! Oh my god! Oh, that didn't feel good.
Can't find the nose.
This needs to be colder.
It's cold, it's cold. It needs to be colder.
Yeah.
Too warm.
It's warm.
Is the aircon even on?
Yeah, it's on.
The highest level?
Don't feel like it, did it? Maybe we've got to shut the doors.
Is it setting though? Can you feel it?
I can't feel it setting.
Yeah, with that.
It's not settling, is it?
Not yet. We will do that. I feel like I'm Captain America when he goes inside that little pod. He comes out, he's all hench. Oh, it's the set, man. They're hot.
While Ricky's in there, I hit a couple balls out. At the moment, Ricky's doing a good job, just laying there. We'll see if the gelatin sets. I hope it does. Let's hit this bullseye. Close enough.
Oof!
Close enough.
That was close. Let me have a look at that. Oof!
First shot of the day as well. Am I lying?
Don't tease me like that. Don't do it. I'm not allowed it.
Have a bit of hope, mate.
I can hold it.
No, don't move, don't move.
Let me finish what's in my mouth. Don't rush me, this is a process. You touch my face, I'm in my mouth, I'm headbutting you.
Open your mouth.
Put it on my lip! Oh! Put it on my lip. You trying to drown me?
No. No.
I'm already in a bath. Thanks. Eric, my face. I don't feel like this is going to set, man.
Shit, man.
Thanks, darling. I look right.
Yeah, man, you look stunning, mate. Stunning. Absolutely stunning, lad.
A few moments later.
I hope Ricky's having a good time in there. Because KFC sounds really nice. Tastes really nice. Do you watch some School on Monday, family? There we go. Poor old Ricky.
This is quite weird viewing. People watching me in the bath. At least I'm not scrubbing my bits.
You little nasty.
When their music video things they go, look at their art. What a load of sugar in the morning, ding ding.
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
The heat, the temperature, same diff, but same difference. You get me? Oh, nasty. I'm not gonna set.
Huh?
I'm not gonna set. It's gotta be colder. And so at the moment, it's just water because it's so hot. What do you mean you see? Someone come in here and keep me company.
We'll see in 8 hours.
Eric! I'm not a freaking fish, man. I'm not a freaking fish. I don't want to swim.
I'm not a freaking fish. I don't need to swim.
Nothing's happening.
It's not setting at all.
On my eyelids, yeah, when I wipe my face. It's too hot.
Should I go get some ice?
Or pour cold water in it or something. Big bucket of cold water.
Should I go get some ice?
And just pour a big bucket of cold water. Are you not listening to me?
We need some ice. Let me go get some ice.
One glass. Any suggestions of how I can get this to set? I need it to be more cold. Not a freaking fish, man. Cool car, man. Was it a Ferrari? Ferrari? Look at all those chickens. Oh, the heat's getting to me, man. I'm just going over memes. Look at all those chickens. Cool car, man. What is it, Ferrari? Ferrari? Or maybe a BMW, I don't know. Got a gelatine stuck in my throat, I swear down. Inhaling this stuff. Woo. I feel it crystallising. Because I've wiped my face, I feel it crystallising on my eyelids. Obviously it's not as hot as this. But Eric's going to get 2 bags of ice, pour it in, hopefully it'll cool it down. Then the room will get colder once this heat goes. Then hopefully it will set and I'll be good to go. And then I can go under. So at the moment it's too hot to go under, I'll end up passing out. Oh my god. World's largest margarita. Did this turn into the ice bath challenge? Yeah, just put it on like my shorts or like right behind me, I think. I'm gonna get ill from this. 100%. I've just gone from one extreme to the next.
That should do the job.
Yeah.
That should do the
Give
job.
me my snorkel and stuff and I'll start.
Can't get any worse than this.
Here we go, lads. I'm coming off the bench. Are you ready? Okay.
So I'm going to have to like 20 minutes, so it's not normal.
Yeah, that's alright, that's it. Keep it in. You did alright there, man! Give us a thumbs up! Give us a wave! Give us a wave, okay?
What is this?
But the ice is gone already. I don't know if this is working.
It's all real gummies. You're not allowed.
What is that? Mate. I need to tighten these. Can you tighten? And we're good to go. Not that tight.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
We're very sad at the moment. But we'll be back. See you there. We'll be back with more videos.
Very nice.
Subscribe, follow the Insta page.